Hi everyone, myself Miss Pisay CB in our college Shankarao Mohite Mahavidyalaya Cluj, Department of Electronics, where class is the BSc second semester 4. And now start the today paper 7th, Operational Amplifier and Applications. Okay, in this paper, first topic is the differential amplifier. Okay, in that what is amplifier? First we see the what is amplifier and what is the differential amplifier. Okay, firstly, amplifier is a device which accept on input signals and produce an output signal proportional to the input. That means the provide the input and gives to the output, and this output is directly proportional to the input. Okay, it is called as a amplifier. Then second, differential amplifier, an amplifier which amplifies the difference between the two input signals. Okay, difference between the two input signals is called as a differential amplifier. That means in this differential amplifier, in that produce the two input signals and gives to the both two input signals difference. Okay, to the gives to the output. Okay, it is called as a differential amplifier. Then the need of the differential amplifier ची का गरज आहे. Okay, in that the differential amplifier is the most widely used circuit. Okay, mostly use केले जाते हे circuit and building blocks in analog integrated circuits. That means the analog IC. Okay, analog IC मध्ये differential amplifier हा mostly use केला जातो. Okay, then principally the operational amplifiers. Okay, one of the important feature of the IC technology is that if a circuit is more repetitive. Okay, more repetitive means the repeated many times. Okay, used for the in ICs. Production volume is large, then the lower the cost. Okay, त्याची जी कॉस्ट पेक्षा त्याचं प्रोडक्शन जो व्हॉल्यूम असतो तो कसा असतो, लार्ज असतो, हाय असतो. ओके, हेन्स देर इज अ सर्च फॉर बेसिक सर्किट्स दॅट वूड मीट द व्हेरियस रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ द अॅनालॉग आयसीज. ओके, अॅनालॉग आयसी मध्ये डिफरंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स आहेत. ओके, व्हेरियस डिफरंट्स दिस सर्किट्स विच मीट द अॅनालॉग आयसी रिक्वायरमेंट इज डिफरन्शियल ॲम्प्लिफायर. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये काय यूज केलेलं, डिफरन्शियल ॲम्प्लिफायर. ओके, द डिफरन्शियल ॲम्प्लिफायर इज DC amplifier. DC means the direct coupled amplifier. Okay, and direct coupled, what is the direct coupled amplifier? That means in this direct coupled amplifier consists of the two or more amplifiers. Okay, and in these amplifiers which the output of first stage amplifier, okay, is coupled to the input of the next stage amplifier. दॅट मीन्स फर्स्ट ॲम्प्लिफायरचं आउटपुट हे सेकंड ॲम्प्लिफायरच्या इनपुटला कनेक्ट केलेलं असतं. देन सेकंड ॲम्प्लिफायरचं आउटपुट हे थर्ड ॲम्प्लिफायरच्या इनपुटला कनेक्ट केलेलं असतं. ओके, इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ डायरेक्ट कपल्ड ॲम्प्लिफायर. देन गिव्स द डिफरंट युनिक प्रॉपर्टीज. ओके, युनिक प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अ डिफरन्शियल ॲम्प्लिफायर्स. ओके, इन दॅट फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज द excellent stability. Okay, what is the stability or excellent stability? In that the quality is the unchanging. Okay, in this differential amplifier used, the quality is the unchanging. That means the excellent the stability. Okay, the second property is the highly versatile. Okay, highly versatile, that means this differential amplifier is used in a many different uses. Okay, then highly immune to the interference signal. That means not affected by the somethings. Okay, in external noise. The differential amplifier amplifies the difference between the two input signals and hence common noise or interference is automatically nulled. That means in the differential amplifier consists of two input signals. Okay, त्याला किती सिग्नल आहेत इनपुटला, 2. Okay, and hence the common noise, that means the internally कॉमन नॉइज और इंटरफरन्स जो क्रिएट होतो याच्यामध्ये नॉईज, तो ॲटोमॅटिकली काय केलं जातं, सॉल्व्ह केलं. दॅट मीन्स द ॲटोमॅटिकली नल्ड. ओके. देन excellent bandwidth. Okay, bandwidth is the different range of the frequencies. Okay, it has the very large frequency operations. Okay, ranging from the DC to high frequency due to the utilize of the direct coupled amplifier. Okay, that means the in this operational amplifier used in a large number of the frequency operation. That means the excellent bandwidth. Okay, then in this IC technology, the differential amplifier gives the additional features. Okay, gives to the additional features in a differential amplifier. Okay, in that the closely matched components are really achievable because of the all components are processed simultaneously on a chip. Okay, that means in the differential amplifier usually in a different types of the components. Okay, and these components is built in on a chip, in a one chip. Okay, and almost all components are closely matched. Okay, usually in these different components are closely matched and approximately equal heating and cooling. Okay, both are different components in a one chip, on a chip, approximately equal heating and cooling. Okay, then active components are relatively easy. Active components relatively, that means they handled easy and inexpensive to fabrication. Okay, कमी खर्चिक आहेत in active components. Okay, whereas passive components must be held to a minimum number of the passive components. Why? Due to the direct coupling between the amplification stage. Okay, in the direct coupling amplification stage usually in a minimum number of the components. Okay, then different features of the differential amplifiers. Okay, कुठे यूज केला जातो differential amplifier, कशामध्ये किंवा त्याचे features कोणते आहेत. The differential voltage gain is a high. In the differential amplifiers voltage gain is a high. Common mode gain is a low. CMRR, that means the common mode rejection ratio, is a high. Input impedance is high. Then wide bandwidth. Okay, that means the different frequency ranges. Low offset voltage and currents. Output impedance is also low. Okay, then gives the different various applications of a differential amplifier. Okay, that means the used in a different various applications. Okay, in that first differential amplifier is used as a voltage comparator. Okay, voltage both different voltage comparison. Okay, as a comparator करण्यासाठी differential amplifier हा यूज केला जातो. Then it is used in a voltage subtractions. Okay, both two different voltage subtraction करण्यासाठी differential amplifier यूज केला जातो. Used in operational amplifiers to amplify the input signal. Also used in amplify the applied input signals. Okay, differential amplifier is used as a voltage follower. Okay, used in as a voltage follower. Okay, then next the basic differential amplifier. Okay, differential amplifier काय आहे, कसा वर्कआउट होते ते बघणार आहे आपण. Okay, that means the ideal differential amplifier. Okay, in that the amplifier which amplifies the difference between two input signals is called as a differential amplifier. Okay, की ज्या amplifier मध्ये काय केलं जातं, two input signalचा difference, that means the amplifies the difference between the two input signals. Okay, two different input signalचा difference outputला घेतला जातो, त्याला differential amplifier असं म्हटलंय. It is very much popular and it is building block of an analog integrated circuit or operational amplifiers and used in a variety of analog circuits. Okay, different variety of analog circuit मध्ये differential amplifier हा यूज केला जातो. Then the differential amplifier is implemented with BJT and MOSFET as an active device. Okay, BJT means the bipolar junction transistor and MOSFET is the metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor in an active device. Both active device used in a differential amplifier. Okay, then figure shows, okay, figure shows the ideal differential amplifier. कशाची फिगर आहे इतर ideal differential amplifier. Okay, in this figure, okay, in this figure shows the phi I1 and phi I2 are the input terminals. Okay, phi I1 and phi I2 the input terminals. Then phi O1 and phi O2 are the output terminals with respect to ground. Okay, and the user can feed to two input signals at the same time or one at a time. म्हणजे आपण याच्यामध्ये सेम टाइमला 1 by 1 दोन्हीला इनपुट देऊ शकतो किंवा ॲट अ टाइम दोन्हीला इनपुट देऊ शकतो. ओके, VI1 and VI2. इन द फॉर्मर केस इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ ड्युएल इनपुट. त्यालाच काय म्हटलंय, ड्युएल इनपुट. ओके, टू डिफरंट टाईपने आपण ह्याला इनपुट देऊ शकतो म्हणून ह्याला ड्युएल इनपुट म्हटले. अदरवाइज इट इज अ सिंगल इनपुट. ओके, अदरवाइज इट इज सिंगल इनपुट. सिमिलरली देर आर टू वे टू द टेक द आउटपुट्स. ओके, टू डिफरंट टाईपमध्ये आपण ह्याचं आउटपुट घेऊ शकतो. इफ द आउटपुट इज टेकन फ्रॉम वन टर्मिनल, ओके, इफ द आउटपुट टेकन फ्रॉम द वन टर्मिनल विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ग्राउंड इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ अनबॅलन्स्ड आउटपुट. ओके, म्हणजेच काय, एका टर्मिनलला आउटपुट घेतलं, एक टर्मिनल ग्राउंड केलं, त्यालाच काय म्हटलंय, अनबॅलन्स्ड आउटपुट असं म्हटलंय. Or second type is the if the output is taken between the two output terminals, that means the VO1 and VO2. ओके, दोन्ही मधून आपण जर का आउटपुट घेतलं तर त्याला काय म्हटलं, इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ बॅलन्स्ड आउटपुट. ओके, इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ बॅलन्स्ड आउटपुट. समजलं ना, अनबॅलन्स्ड आउटपुट अँड बॅलन्स्ड आउटपुट. ओके, द डिफरन्शियल एम्प्लिफायर वर्क्स इन द टू मोड्स. ओके, इन दिस डिफरन्शियल एम्प्लिफायर वर्क्स इन अ टू डिफरंट modes, which namely as a first is the differential mode, and second is the common mode. Okay, in that the ideal differential amplifier, the output voltage, okay, ideal differential amplifier, the output voltage phi 0 is proportional to the difference between the two input voltage, that is the phi I1 and phi I2. म्हणजे आउटपुटला आपण जे phi 0 आउटपुट घेणार आहे ते आउटपुट हे डायरेक्टली कशाशी प्रोपोर्शनल असणार आहे, तर अप्लाइड दी टू इनपुट व्होल्टेजेस, दॅट मीन्स द VI1 and VI2. ओके, देन द डिफरन्शियल एम्प्लिफायर सेड टू बी द ऑपरेटेड इन डिफरन्शियल मोड कॉन्फिगरेशन. ओके, तेव्हा ऑपरेशनल एम्प्लिफायर हा कशामध्ये वर्क होणार आहे, हा डिफरन्शियल एम्प्लिफायर तर ऑपरेटेड इन अ डिफरन्शियल मोड कॉन्फिगरेशन. ओके, डिफरन्शियल मोड कॉन्फिगरेशन. ओके, तो कसा एक्सप्रेस केला जातो ते बघणार आहे. इट इज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन अ डिफरन्शियल मोड. ओके, इन अ डिफरन्शियल मोड. ओके, हियर हां, आउटपुट व्होल्टेज. ओके, हियर आउटपुट व्होल्टेज phi 0, okay, is a directly proportional to the phi I1, okay, minus phi I2. Okay, in that the applied used to the output voltage phi 0 is directly proportional to the input applied input to voltage. Okay, difference, that means the phi I1 minus phi I2. Okay, that is it is also written as the here phi 0 is equal to AD in bracket phi I1, okay, minus phi I2. This is the one, phi I1 minus phi I2. Okay, in this equation phi 0 is equal to AD in bracket phi I1 minus phi I2. Phi I1 minus phi I2 is the difference between the two input voltages. Okay, here in this equation AD is the differential mode gain of a differential amplifier. AD हा काय आहे, AD is the differential mode gain of a differential amplifier. Okay, the differential gain is the gain with which amplifier amplifies the difference between two input signals. Okay, amplifier काय केलं जातं, तर difference between the two input signals, and it is denoted as a AD. तो कशाने डिनोट केलेला आहे, it is denoted as a AD. ओके, AD ने तो डिनोट केलेला आहे. the difference between two input signals. Okay, the difference between the two input signals which phi I1 and phi I2 is called as a difference voltage. त्यालाच काय म्हटलंय, is called as a difference voltage and it is denoted as, ह्यालाच काय म्हटलंय, it is denoted as a phi D. Okay, it is denoted as a phi D. Hence मग ते इक्वेशन आपण कसं राईट करणार आहे, hence the output voltage, okay, output voltage phi 0 is equal to AD into VD. Okay, AD into VD. Phi 0 is the output voltage. Okay, AD is the differential mode gain in a differential amplifier and phi D म्हणजेच काय आहे, तर difference between the two input signals which phi I1 and phi I2. Okay, it is denoted as a phi D. Okay, then the AD is expressed. AD कसा राईट करणार आहे आपण, तर AD here AD is equal to phi 0 upon phi D. phi 0 upon phi D. Okay, expressed AD is equal to phi 0 upon phi D. Okay, generally the differential gain is expressed in, okay, generally differential gain is expressed in a dB. कशामध्ये एक्सप्रेस केला जातो तो जनरली, small d and capital B, dB. Okay, here right now the dB expressed in a dB. Okay, dB means the decibel. dB म्हणजेच काय असणार आहे तो, dB is the decibel. Okay, decibel means the unit for expressing the ratio of two physical quantities. Okay, decibel means the ratio of the two physical quantities. Okay, मग इथं रेशो कशाचा घेणार आहे आपण, तर ratio of the two physical quantities. Okay, that means the output voltage and differential voltage. Okay, here the value, okay, dB in the form of dB expressed in a dB form मध्ये आपण तो राईट करणार आहे, AD in bracket dB. Okay, in decibel format मध्ये आपण राईट करणार आहे रेशो बिटवीन दी टू फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज. ओके, in that the 20 log of 10, okay, in bracket phi 0 upon PD. Okay, here AD is expressed in a, that means the differential gain is expressed in a decibel format. Okay, AD in bracket dB is equal to 20 log of 10 in bracket phi 0 upon phi D. कशामध्ये राईट केला आपण डिफरन्शियल गेन, हा इन अ डेसिबल फॉर्मॅट मध्ये आपण राईट केला. ओके, हावेवर इफ टू इनपुट of differential amplifier are connected to common voltage source. Okay, however, if two inputs of differential amplifier are connected at common voltage source, that is voltage are equal, that means that is the common signal, त्यालाच काय म्हटलंय, common signal to the differential amplifier, then this differential amplifier said to be operated in a common mode configuration. ओके, त्यालाच काय म्हटलंय, कॉमन, म्हणजे त्यावेळी डिफरन्शियल एम्प्लिफायर हा कॉमन मोड कॉन्फिगरेशन मध्ये ऑपरेट होतो. ओके, आयडियली द आउटपुट व्होल्टेज ऑफ कॉमन मोड कॉन्फिगरेशन मस्ट बी 0. आयडियली कॉमन मोड कॉन्फिगरेशन मस्ट बी 0, बट प्रॅक्टिकली, ओके, तो काय असतो, आयडियली 0 असतो. ओके, बट प्रॅक्टिकली आउटपुट व्होल्टेज ऑफ कॉमन मोड सिग्नल इज नॉट अ 0. प्रॅक्टिकली तो 0 येतो का, नाही का, ड्यू टू मिसमॅच. ओके, इन द इंटरनल सर्किटरी ऑफ डिफरन्शियल एम्प्लिफायर, म्हणजे इंटरनल सर्किटरीमुळे तो प्रॅक्टिकली 0 येतो का नाही, तर मेनी डिस्टर्बन्सेस सिग्नल नॉइज or noise signals are created in internally, so practically is do not be 0. Okay, the output is depends on the average level of the two inputs. Okay, याच्यामध्ये कॉमन मोड कॉन्फिगरेशन मध्ये आउटपुट कशावरती डिपेंड असतं, तर आउटपुट इज डिपेंडिंग ऑन द ॲव्हरेज लेवल ऑफ द टू इनपुट सिग्नल्स. ओके, इन दॅट ॲव्हरेज level of the two input signals is called as a common mode signal. Okay, common mode signal कशाला म्हणायचं, तर average level of two input signals is called as a common mode signal, denoted as a VC. ते कशामध्ये डिनोट केलेलं आहे, इन अ कॉमन मोड सिग्नल, हे VC. ओके, VC मध्ये डिनोट केलेलं आहे. ओके, VC इज इक्वल टू काय येणार आहे, VI1 ओके प्लस VI2 ओके upon 2. Vi1 is the first input of the differential amplifier, Vi2 is the second input of the differential amplifier. Okay, here the average level of the two input signals is called as a common mode signal. It is denoted as a VC. So VC is equal to Vi1 plus Vi2 upon 2. Okay, the gain with which differential amplifier amplifies the common mode signal is called as a कॉमन मोड गेन. ओके, कॉमन मोड सिग्नल समजलं, VC हे त्याला डिनोट केलेलं किंवा इंडिकेट केलेले. मग गेन कसा काढायचा किंवा गेन कशाला म्हणायचं, तर गेन विथ द डिफरन्शियल एम्प्लिफायर. ओके, एम्प्लिफाईज द कॉमन मोड सिग्नल. कॉमन मोड सिग्नल इज कॉल्ड एज अ कॉमन मोड गेन अँड इट इज डिनोटेड एज अ AC. ओके, त्याला ते कशाने डिनोट केलेले, तर AC ने हे डिनोट केलेले. ओके, गेन ऑफ द कॉमन मोड गेन AC इज इक्वल टू काय येणार आहे, V0 अपॉन VC. ओके, V0 इज द आउटपुट व्होल्टेज, VC इज द कॉमन मोड सिग्नल. ओके, कॉमन मोड सिग्नल. सो गेन ऑफ द कॉमन मोड सिग्नल इज द AC इज इक्वल टू V0 अपॉन VC. ओके, अँड द कॉमन मोड ऑफ आउटपुट व्होल्टेज. ओके, कॉमन मोड ऑफ द आउटपुट व्होल्टेज. आउटपुट व्होल्टेजचं कसं आपण मेजर करणार आहे, राईट नाव द आउटपुट व्होल्टेज V0. ओके, मेजर द आउटपुट व्होल्टेज इज V0. V0 इज इक्वल टू AC इंटू VC. ओके, AC इंटू VC. दिस इज द कॉमन मोड आउटपुट voltage. Okay, so the total output of any differential amplifier, total of voltage of the any differential amplifier is not only depend on the difference input. ते फक्त difference both two inputs वरती डिपेंड आहे का, नाहीये, but also depends on the average level of the two inputs. Also कशावरती डिपेंड आहे, तर total average level of the two input signals and is given as. ते कसं राईट करणार आहे आपण, it is a given as V0. Okay, not only depend on the two input signals, but it is depends on the average level of the two input signals. So it is written as, or it is given as the V0 is equal to AD VD. Okay, AD. Gain of the differential mode, difference voltage of the differential amplifier plus common mode of the common gain of the common mode gain of the differential amplifier and VC. VC is the common mode of common mode signal. Okay, common mode input signals. Okay, that is the V0 is equal to AD VD plus AC VC. Okay, this is the output voltage of a differential amplifier. This is the output voltage of a differential amplifier. Okay, so today the stop here. Okay, समजलं, ॲम्प्लिफायर कशाला म्हणायचं, डिफरन्शियल ॲम्प्लिफायर कशाला म्हणायचं, आयडियल डिफरन्शियल ॲम्प्लिफायर. ओके, डिफरन्शियल ॲम्प्लिफायरचे प्रॉपर्टीज, फीचर्स, ॲप्लिकेशन्स. ओके, सो today the stop here. Okay, thank you.